Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Dytor Plus 10 tablet, coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Cipla Ltd. Dytor Plus 10 tablet. Uses. Dytor Plus 10 tablet is used in the treatment of hypertension, which is commonly known as high blood pressure. It is also used in the treatment of edema, a condition where excess fluid builds up in the body and causes swelling. This medicine helps control blood pressure and reduce fluid buildup in the body. Benefits. In the treatment of hypertension, high blood pressure puts extra strain on the heart and blood vessels, increasing the risk of serious health problems. Dytor Plus 10 tablet helps lower blood pressure by removing excess fluid and relaxing the blood vessels. This reduces the workload on the heart and helps maintain effective blood pressure control while minimizing potassium loss. This supports better heart health and overall well-being. In the treatment of edema, the medicine helps reduce swelling caused by fluid buildup in conditions related to the heart, kidneys, or liver. It increases urine production and removes excess salt and water from the body. This helps maintain balanced fluid levels, relieve discomfort, and improve mobility and breathing. Side effects. Like all medicines, Dytor Plus 10 tablet may cause some side effects in certain individuals. Commonly reported side effects include headache, inflammation of the nose, muscle pain, dizziness, and a frequent urge to urinate. Some people may also experience abnormal ECG, gastrointestinal disturbances, increased liver enzymes, diarrhea, memory impairment, or pain during periods. If any side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take Dytor Plus 10 tablet exactly in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not chew, crush, or break it. It should be taken with or after food. How it works. Dytor Plus 10 tablet works by removing excess fluid from the body while helping maintain potassium balance. One component, torsemide, is a diuretic that helps the kidneys eliminate extra salt and water from the body. This helps reduce swelling and lower blood pressure. The second component, spironolactone, is a potassium-sparing diuretic that prevents excessive potassium loss while also helping remove excess fluid. Together, these medicines help treat conditions like fluid buildup without causing major electrolyte imbalances.